Welcome. In front of me I have WAHOO Elemnt Rival, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing you will need to do is to open the menu. And to open the menu on this watch, you need to press and hold the button right here, the left lower button. Once the menu opens, you can use the upper and lower button on the right side to scroll through the menu. Scroll through it and look for the option called the system. And once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Then scroll through the list again, look for the option called factory reset. Once you find it, press the middle button. And now you can confirm by pressing the middle button again. One thing to mention though, before you start, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged, and then you can confirm by pressing the middle button and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, let's see if something happened. I believe the watch turned off. We can try to turn it back on by pressing the middle button or the upper button. One of these for sure will turn it on. Maybe the upper button on this side. Okay, this is the button to turn it on. And once the watch turns on, you will see the QR code, which means that the factory reset is complete. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.